Andrea here with my little brother Jose, and we're opening Puppy in my pocket.
Puppy, Mama.
So it's serious one, so let's get started. Do you want to open yours?
Yeah.
I'll open mine. Oh, that was easy.
You got one.
Oh, I got him, maybe her, and there we go. Let's do a short. Let me see. That is Lady.
Open mine. Open mine. Open mine. Open mine. Open mine.
I know who that is. That is Lady, and he's a Scottish Terrier. Oh, do you want me to open your t-strip?
Mom.
And it comes with a collector's guide.
Open mine.
Don't tell me.
Look at.
Mommy, ultra rare. Find the ultra rare puppies, and they're glittery. There's up to 4 seasons.
White.
Let me see him. Let me see
White.
him. Can I see him, baby, so I can find him here?
Show it to the camera.
Oh, he is Scotty, and he's a Westie.
I got. Wait.
Oh, and here is all the ones that you can get. Okay. I guess. I'm gonna write that too.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm gonna show it. And here is my pup.
And my lady. My lady too.
Let me see yours.
My pet.
Mommy's name is Lady, and he's Scotty. With tie. Lady is Scottish. So that's it for today. This is Pocket. And bye.
Video.
If you like this video, like, comment,